right, everyone, hello and happy fall. Today I have not one, but two very cute and festive autumn stamp sets to share with you today. My first one here is a really sweet and almost Thanksgiving-like autumn greetings with a really cute wreath with cranberries and different types of foliage, a classic cornucopia, and some other simple embellishments. Right here, I have a good old-fashioned pumpkin patch with a classic, I always envision them as little red trucks with the pumpkins in the back. I'm going to be combining my two sets today. However, if you only have, let's say, one set or the other, you can get by with that just fine. I'm really thinking about using this Happy Fall, y'all, in tandem with my truck, my trees, and I'm thinking about the scarecrow, but I'm gonna see where the process takes me. In addition, I have all of my Ranger archival inks off to the side. Today I'll be using Monarch Orange, Vermilion, Plum, Sepia, and Jet Black. I have a little blending sponge that I used for this sepia color, so I'm just gonna reuse that. All of my cutouts that I'm planning on using. My card here, I have already cut, measured, and adhered my cardstock to my square. I'm just working with a 5x5 and just rounded the edges. And what I'm thinking of is I want kind of like an abstract little scene for my truck to be on. So I'm thinking my foreground, what's up front, my midground or my horizon line, and my background, these kind of cute little viney elements. I'm thinking in my head I want it to have my truck kind of down here, almost like on the ground, with some trees in the back. I have three just in case, and maybe a scarecrow on the side with my sentiment of happy fall, y'all. I do have some extra little leaves as well, but again, I'm gonna kind of see where my process takes me and what I think looks best. As always, tape glue runner, 2 clear blocks, 2 additional blending stumps with some interchangeable sponges. And I have these little teeny tiny ones that are so cute, and I just thought, well, maybe if I have, you know, really thin parts of the paper or small parts, these are great for details. Some additional pens in metallic and white, tweezers, foam feet. Nothing crazy here, so I think I'm just going to bounce right into it. And to do that, I want all of my paper on my card adhered and ready to go first so that I am all set and ready to go and stamp. I went with a really cute printed paper fall theme. So I have oranges and navy, leaves, just gonna go like that. And like that. And like that. I'm going to start with Monarch Orange. All right, well, I think my technique is going to work. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go in with vermilion. And with my trees, I'm gonna kind of have fun with it. Play around. So all I did to get that darker outline, distressed, almost vignette, is I didn't re-ink my sponge at all, and I held it at an angle and I just pushed. And that'll darken up your edges. You can do that for any of these pieces, but I kind of like how these are, and I'm going to be stamping them anyway, so I'm gonna set all that aside and get back to stamping. All right, so I did make a couple of adjustments as I was creating the card and just working through the process and seeing what is working, what's not working. And I decided that the truck, one, I didn't stamp it well, which was my fault. And two, after looking at it, there is a lot of black. And I wanted there to be more openness with the color palette that I have, all these purples and oranges and reds. And it just wasn't working for me. So maybe this is an element that I could use in a different time, or maybe it's just something that right now it didn't work and I need to try something new in the future. However, I do have an adorable Happy Fall Y'all card today. I have my scarecrow with my little flying leaf and my scenery in the back. I really do like my use of textured paper. I think it brings some added dimension rather than just being a matte black background. And also, all of my elements really tie in together. This light speckling of my white gel pen just really makes the last final detail. I did combine 2 stamp sets today, so please make sure to check them out on our website, RubberStamps.com. And as always, we would love to see what you will create using our sets. So please hit us with the hashtag #StampWithUs. Again, that's hashtag #StampWithUs on social media so we can see your next creation. Thanks for joining, and happy fall, y'all.